Yo, man, we back at it. I don't know how, but we went to sleep. But I'm back though, cause I ain't no punk bitch. Gotta see what's going on. Got my motherfucking cup. She got a cup. She got 2 cups. I don't know what she got in there. I don't know what she got in the other cup. Take your shoes off, baby, so you won't get sand them down. We headed down here to the beach, man. But shit, we on the beach now. Where you wanna go with? Go down there? Down there. Got a long stretch of wherever you go, I guess.
I don't know if these birds are going to
They gonna move. Oh, one right there. Right here. You know what I'm saying? Stretching his wings out. Watch out for bird doo-doo. There's a lot of seashells there. I don't know. Like doo-doo, I guess. I don't even think I needed this hat. Yeah, you can't see none of them junk. Had a glass tinted on there. Man, it's hard to walk without your damn shoes. Oh, damn. Yeah, they ain't gonna let you get close to them like that. Ocean water. Shit, I'm sinking. Ah, dang. There was something in that wave. I don't know where it went. It looked like a potato chip bag. Hey. You wet my goddamn shorts up. That ain't what I put these on for. Give me a little surfboard. Catch me a wave. I don't know what this lady looking for. She's looking for seashells or something. crazy because it looked like the water out there is higher than the water right here. It's like you're gonna drop down and then you step right there, it's higher. But you might sink when you get in this shit though. Oh shit. I see you got these matching things on, man. Look, they got one right there. Something, it's a jelly, something. It's on this jelly. Dang. Or a part of it. Might be a baby jellyfish or something. I don't know, because it ain't that big. I wonder if that's what that lady was looking for. They walking way out there. Ain't no damn way. Jaws come through this motherfucker. Do it again, baby. Show them you were swimming out here. Do it again. Swimming! Oh, shit. Yeah. What's that? That's that potato chip bag I was looking at. And I ain't coming up here, it's shooting it back out there. Potato chip bag or is it a bottle? I don't know what it is. A bottle. Yeah. Hey man, y'all done seen it before, but I guess I'm gonna have to remind y'all, man. When I say I'm gonna put that shit on, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, move this iron board back, you know what I'm saying? Cause I don't think they understand when I say I'm gonna put this shit on. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, wait a minute, hold on. Check him out. Come on, man. Stop playing with me, man. No wood tips on this motherfucker, man. You look shit like Black and Miles or something. Oh, man, I got this shit on, man. You dig what I'm saying? Yeah. Hold on, what you do? Hold on, wait a minute. Hold up. What we got?
What they say? Shein, Gucci, Louis Vuitton.
We got this shit on. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Dog, in here, man. Hey, man, look. Anniversary dinner, man. We're finna go and do something. Y'all see, man, I got my shirt open with my little necklaces on. You know what I'm saying? You know, the old niggas, they don't wear chains, they wear necklaces. I got my little necklaces on. You know what I'm saying? Up under there. They spraying that shit on. So she sprayed this. She sprayed this shit. God. Like fruits and berries in this motherfucker.
Let's go.
Let's go. I need, what I need? I'm missing something. I know I'm missing something.
Keys.
No, I got the key. I know what I need. I need to pick for my goddamn beard. Is it in this bag or is it in another bag? I don't know what bag I put it in. Here you go. Gotta pick this beard up.
Did you get your teeth done too? Hey, what?
Huh?
Oh.
You said what?
Oh.
She said what?
Did you get your teeth done too? When? You want to see these young without the shirt on? You got teeth.
I'm in there, right? Okay, let's go. We got her, y'all. Headed to the place. I forgot the name of it. What's the name of it? Iron Restaurant. You head to Iron Restaurant. See y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all. Hold on, wait. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, man. We back from dinner, man. And, yeah, man, we had a blast at the dinner. Look.
Cold.
See what I'm talking about? Yeah.
Cold and my stomach hurting. Well, it don't hurt. I'm trying to find a boo-boo.
She trying to find a boo-boo. But yeah, man, we back. We probably gonna do once she find a boo-boo, man. We probably gonna go back out here on the beach or something, just chill for the night, just chill, and might sit on the balcony or whatever. And it's gonna be a wrap for the night. So glad y'all was here, man, to witness it, man. Y'all was tuned in to the boy, man. So good. I appreciate y'all, man. So that being said, she dog, man. Below, big ass, man. We about this thing. Crazy ass.